Notice there are two sides to a towel, the front side and the back side. Hi, there are many ways to fold a towel. Today I am going to show you an easy way to fold a towel. I am using a hand towel, but you can use this method for any size towel. First, you will need a flat surface like a table, counter, or a bed. Spread out the towel on a smooth surface. Notice there are two sides to a towel, the front side and the back side, with a tag. Make sure the towel is tag side up. Fold the towel in half crosswise. Make sure the edges meet. Smooth it out with your hands. Now, fold the towel in half lengthwise. Make sure the edges meet again. And